I'm Zach. This is my 88 Nissan Hardbody. It's custom painted in a galactic green. When I was growing up, I always liked S10s, and I grew up reading Mini Trucking magazine. And
Yeah.
when I grew up a little bit more, I finally had a little bit of money and decided I was getting a bag truck. And my grandfather always had the Nissan Hardbodies, and I fell in love with them, and this was the perfect truck. Got 4-link in the rear with air ride the whole way around.
Okay, nice. And what kind of bike is that?
It's a Kawasaki Z125.
Oh,
It's a
nice.
2023.
Other than the paint and suspension, anything else you like got done to it?
Well, it's got a raised bed floor. Bed floor was raised about 8 inches, and relocated the gas tank. The filler neck is right there beside the back wheel of the bike. So I shaved the fuel door on it, shaved the door handles. The tailgate handle is shaved, and then we relocated the license plate box into the tailgate and put a smooth roll pan on it. It has the custom clear tail lights in it. It's a full custom interior. It has an interior swapped out of a 94 and newer truck. Has paint matched interior pieces. The shifter, it has custom made aluminum door panels and a custom made center console with the overlays on it. And then on the front, shaved the wipers on it.
Oh, nice.
It's got the bumper from factory, is a 3-piece bumper. It has end caps there. I welded and smoothed all that up.
Right.
And then I got the full Phantom grille on it with the Phantom inserts for the bumper. Hides all the lights.
Zach, what wheels is this again?
They are 18-inch Nissan Titan stock steelies. They're actually like the spare tires. I did clean up the engine bay and
Gotcha.
paint match the valve cover and some stuff like that. All the wiring harness and fuse box and everything is relocated over to the engine. I made a cover just to kind of clean it up a little bit, and then paint match the valve cover.
I love the Corona bottle for an overflow tank, right?
Yep.
Lastly, Zach, where can they find you?
My Instagram is Zach, ZACK _JZZ30.
ハイパースピードメディア